What is good, y'all boys? Welcome back to another video. You already see what we're wearing. Evil Life brand. Mess with the brand, Evil Life. Anyways, in today's video, we're gonna be going to a little car meet. So they just had the Grand Prix at the Hard Rock Stadium, so they're having a little event here at Dania Point. Hopefully there is a ton of cars so we can get a ton of footage. And we also have word that there is a Bugatti coming. But yeah, we'll check in once we're there and once we have some nice quality content for you guys, so stay tuned. And if you get through the whole video, make sure you comment your favorite car and what color you would buy it in. So stay tuned. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Yo, what is good, y'all? Hopefully y'all made it to the end of the video. Those edits came out actually pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. Even though like there was only like about, I don't know, like 8 cars there. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger, obviously, but what ended up happening was that they ended up not posting the event. I only knew because I knew somebody that was going there. But yeah, so they ended up leaving, and yeah, so I got that footage. We couldn't see the Bugatti, unfortunately, but I guarantee you guys that this next video coming up, I'm going to something that's called Supercar Saturday. So, and I think that is May 13th or 14th. I don't know which one it is, or it's actually next week. So I'm gonna be there, and there's gonna be around 3-4 Bugattis, maybe, and a couple Pagani's, and probably around 30 plus supercars. So next video is gonna be absolutely sick, so stay tuned for that one. Make sure you put that noti, subscribe, so whenever that video comes out, you guys can check that out. Anyways, if you made it to the end of the video, make sure you comment down below which car was your favorite, what car would you buy, and what color would it be. So yeah, so that's pretty much the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, and hope y'all have a blessed day. Peace.